A little while ago, I had a C8 on order, but with all the changes happening in the world and in my life, I somehow ended up with an X6 750 instead. Complete 180, I know. It doesn't fill that void in my automotive life, and part of me still regrets it, especially now seeing it built to my spec in person. Okay, maybe not this color, but Z51, high wing, black wheels, it drives a hard bargain for 80 grand. But this specific car has a little something extra. I'll give you a hint, it's not the wrap. If you haven't figured it out already, this car's got Fabspeed's full exhaust system from the headers back. That means it's catless and has the Super Sport catback. So today, we're going to see how a straight pipe C8 Corvette sounds. Let's head on over to Fabspeed and throw it on the dyno and see what kind of numbers we get. So, as of this video, we don't have the final dyno numbers for the various systems, but the stock car did put down a very respectable 443 wheel horsepower and 427 wheel torque. That's pretty decent because that means the drivetrain loss is somewhere around 11%, assuming the correct numbers are accurate, of course. Optimistically, I would expect a gain of maybe 20 to 30 wheel horsepower from straight pipe in the car. Then again, when we do exhaust mods like these, we're really there for the weight savings and the sound. And I think that we can all agree that the stock system sounds, what's the best way to put this? Lame. And I feel like any C8 owner can do the car justice by simply putting on an aftermarket exhaust system. I'll be honest, my days of straight piping cars are behind me, but Fabspeed does offer Sport Cats and a more conservative Valvetronic setup, which gives the car a more refined exhaust note. Honestly, that's probably the one I would go for. And based on what I've heard, it makes the C8 Corvette sound just as good as it looks. Special thanks to Fabspeed for this opportunity, and shout out to 650IB for letting me film his car. If you're into bikes, go check out his channel. Things sound sick, man. Enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know by leaving a thumbs up and comment below. Also, don't forget to take a look at our merch store and support the channel. And if this is your first time here, check out some of my other stuff. I produce high quality cinematic car content, so if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell icon for new episodes every Thursday. Thanks for watching.